call a man gelding, and if people don't know what gelding mean, it's a man who don't have any child, right? It's just like enough things where people tell you and glorify the good side of things, you know, them never tell you the bad side of things, you know. You know, enough of the time I hear people tell people say, oh, youth who could have youth, and them not tell them how they must struggle with the youth, you know, and how much money they have to spend, how they have.
So what's the topic we're going to talk about?
Yeah.
Alright,
so what topic I want to discuss right now? It's a sensitive topic. I want to hear on the take on this topic, yeah. So it's a thing where Jamaicans love to talk about. It's a cultural thing where you call gelding. Gelding truck, alright? Yeah. So we do it sensitive. Yeah, that's that do. Yeah, so what I say is that in a Jamaica we have a culture where we call a man gelding, and if people don't know what gelding mean, it's a man who don't have any child, right? Yeah. But in a Jamaica, we have a way how we kind of shame man or demasculate man because through them don't have no youth. Yeah. You understand what I say? And in myself, not saying through me I have no child or nothing like that. But when we look on it from an overall perspective, you see that is a bad thing what we do, the culture that we shame a man for don't have a child. You understand what I say? Because it causes a whole heap of negativity. And let me show you why. Check the facts now. Remember, you know, when they're in a area, you know, people gravitate to where we consider as the norm, you know. I'm gonna go feel out of place. You get me? I say whatever. So when me I say then basically it end up force youth enough of the time to end up run and go have pitney before time, before them even want. You get what I say? And enough of the time now them end up either can't manage the responsibility or don't want the responsibility. You understand what I say?
Society,
yeah, that's the proof because remember, you know, especially in the ghetto, you know, man I go be Nicola man and tell him say, yo, brother, you know no pitney, go look out, go get a you, go breed a woman, jump off of the gelding truck. You see what I say? So them thing they put a whole heap of pressure upon the youth them, so enough of youth them wrong or something there, and it end up to it affect the woman them too, you know, cause what you know, and affect the child too. You understand what I say? Cause what you know, enough of the time the man can just get up and go away, you know, but the mother she spend 9 months to carry her youth, you know, so it a go hard for she go away, you know, so the man can't even get up and go away and gone, you know. You get to me and say end up that now, we check a stock, and the mother alone left with the child, and that not good for the youth. You understand what I say? So Pastinor 2, what is that?
Plan B.
Plan B for man. So the man, so what I say? So what I say?
Yeah.
So what I say in support of the man them getting the youth.
Yeah man, 100%.
Alright, so alright, hold on there. So a two thing, you know, hold on, you see a good thing for a man tell a youth if you have a youth, you know. But here what happen now, hold on, now give me a chance, huh? Here what the wrong thing. You see, just like enough things where people tell you and glorify the good side of things, you know, them never tell you the bad side of things, you know. You know, enough of the time I hear people tell people say, oh, youth who could have youth, and them not tell them how they must struggle with the youth, you know, and how much money they have to spend, how they have to run up and down, and all of them things there. So enough youth hear all of the pretty side of having a youth. You get to me and say, and just say, yo, alright, I go run go breed, and him never clue. You get to me and say?
I know this nigga, you know. Yeah, you hear me? Yeah, I know this nigga. In a competitions, come here bigger girls now. Be myself, be me. Better girls. Because the more show, you're gelding. Say you need a lead. Come get a youth. Go get a youth.
Fuck
I'm gonna dip on top of him twice. Get a youth. Get the dog, get a go and come on with the one knock him out. You understand? And a couple months later, I'm girl woman bring him a family coat for mine.
For mine the child.
Alright. Alright. I got yo.
Me in the city at the time and in a situation. I'm just a focus because I'm not ready for that. We're not a baby mother stress. You understand?
True. And that's the next thing I'm glad you point out that you know you have enough man to influence you to tell them say yo wrong have youth and when you check a stack them nah mind them youth none at all them not interested them nah look for them youth them not inner them youth them not inner them youth life no nothing and watch you know the wickedest thing too you know watch you know no the wickedest thing you know in a thing where you check a level you know you see no fight time too if I will say this, I not talk about course and thing, you get what I say? But in regards of a time when man influence you, them for say yo something that same man there, if the youth go say yo, you know say brother, I go breed, I follow what you saying, I go breed more man in a right, I know when I can't find nothing, you know me can't. But I go say yo, you're a mad man, I mean breed your woman, I mean you pick me father, move from here so. Yeah. I don't them go turn around and tell you say and I them member and them same on influence you tell you say yo go and go breed woman in a way check a stack. A man a beast this about you so wait to show at the end of the day. You can't follow everybody puss and dog now have same luck. You get to me and say if you say yo watch you know the best thing for you is not to do that right now. You have to know, say yo, you have to pray that. You understand what I say? Yeah. Because remember you know, you have to pray better for your child. I not say things happen because we have to be realistic. Things happen to you know. You understand what I say? So I will not have to go down in a rabbit hole in that. You understand? Because it could happen to anybody. You understand? I know I couldn't have probably all 10 pitney already. You get what I say? But at the end of the day, if you have a plan, stick to your plan and you know, so you watch more have set a foundation for me you before me you born. You get to me and say, me not see nothing wrong with that.
True.
You understand what I say? So in my mind, I say we need to cut out the shame for shame the youth them. Because it not just affect the youth them, it affect the female them to the mother them too, you know. Just like
big and something in
true. Yeah, in a right position when time you born, right?
Society just teach us the opposite of everything.
True.
Because by right, if you plan for your child.
Alright, that's cool no man. I them thing we are talking about.
You're supposed to plan for your child. If
Yeah.
As a mother of two, you have to plan for kids.
True.
Because it's not easy.
Yeah.
And as I say, people always attack the prettiest
side.
And I tell us that it's not easy if you don't have a steady foundation.
Exactly.
If you never plan for the child, it will get hard for you.
See it there?
Everywhere, financially, emotionally, mentally, draining.
True.
You have to plan.
A reality.
So when people say they're not ready for kids, they can't bash them.
Yeah.
So
A real thing, man.
If it happen, that different.
True.
You set a foundation.
So you come like you know, leave you depend on where you waste.
Yeah, waste time. We are do. Yeah, donate your sperm to the dead. That type of thing. We are live far. You still up on the gilded truck. Apart. Such a God. Alright, and them influence you for go run golf pitney.
Sometimes if your mind not even steady, all I think that's when you see people now the pitney you want to go to, you say, "Bumbo clad, that could have been me."
No, I'm not laugh. I really think.
You love them, you know, and I regret them, you know, but at the same time, I say, suppose me never have them. You know me that rich? You know me that be a doctor, a liar, this or that.
True.
Because you never plan.
Yeah.
The old school say you go breed, boom. The man immature, you immature. The relationship end up in the work out. When they look at the next man.
Exactly.
You understand? When they look at you alone most of the time. Because it's one young. We in a plan.
Yeah.
Plan child.
True.
You have to know what you do.
True.
So,
People start bash the so-called gelding.
yeah,
Not good.
it is not good.
Don't do it.
Alright.
Stop talking about the prettier side of parenting.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's
And man, them for mine, them
What they
youth, I
have
stand up
money.
in them response. You know what I mean? Yeah.
True.
To school on Monday, where some of them fought, when some of them died.
There nowhere to be found. Nowhere to be found.
Nah, support the youth, them.
Yeah.
Wrong.
True.
Mother have to carry them go court.
All of them something there.
TikTok right now, how much money here? I say, John, how much time you mind the picnic?
Exactly.
Precious at 13. How much bag you buy? Eh? Precious just at the start high school. You pay school fee?
True.
Eh? Be tired of you now. Me never come to social media. Be tired of you. I'm not mind them people for mind the picnic. I support
True, man.
forget people.
Real.
Leave the girl in them alone. Girl in no plan, yeah?
True.
Plan good.
Hear them now? When we say, me a 30-year-old, and you don't have one picnic.
Pitney.
You must feel like so picnic come.
You go shop no buy one.
Man, any man will greet me, he have to stand up to my picnic and mind that.
True.
No, you can't say that. I'm love, baby. That's how life go. That's how life go. So wish that's how it go. But that's how life go. Yeah, them could have in love in it as baby come. Oh God, it's a different thing because some man, that is the next topic. Why you think as some woman get pregnant, man leave? Some of them can't manage the changes.
Yeah.
When them see your breast a sag, when them see your belly a stretch and stretch mark a company, when them see your mood swing, them can't manage certain things. Yeah, man. And I like for them not love you no more is that them just can't manage the changes in them woman body.
True.
Like man, you understand life. All them the man they are still them a pray. You breed the woman and when picnic come you gone.
Gone, disappear. Magician name turn, man.
Everything. Everything them other talk, boy, just
Like a girl, you know, like the man left her. And she buy clothes and shoes. She put them up on TikTok. Bring back my clothes, I want my phone, I want this and that. But you wanna style her, you know? This the man see her with a video. With the artist that have her, like, I show a supplement in her mouth and from that you just block her instant and drop her. Every minute she put up the youth.
Then if you want a personal man, I have like a...
And she act like the youth use her for money and, you know? But she don't mind the youth. But you just drop her.
Can't pick up Yes, she right.
Tell her that, you know?
Tell her that, behave yourself.
2,000 what do you join this? If I have 2,000 I got to 3,000.
Yeah, go make them get lion and wheel.
No, I get things funny money, but I stop going live.
Don't stop going live.
Never go live yet.
How much followers you have?
About 2,300 or something like that.
Yeah, you forgot live.